Hi students, we are studying analytic functions. Today in analytic functions, the transformation from z plane to omega plane we are studying. Here modulus of z minus 3i is equal to 3 is given. We have to find the image of this one under the transformation omega is equal to 1 by z. So listen, given modulus of z minus 3i equal to 3 is a circle of radius is equal to 3, center at listen z minus 3i means this is actually imaginary part, there is no real part here. So x is usually represented by real part, y is for imaginary part. Minus 3i means we have to put plus 3 here. This is center at 0 comma 3, radius is this 3. So we have to draw one diagram. This is y axis. Since 0 comma 3 is a center, I can draw x axis here 0, 1, 2, 3. So 0 comma 3 is the center, radius is 3. So one more extension is needed. And 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you can draw the diagram neatly, but this is a marker board. I can try to draw one circle. Yes, actually let it be circle. This is a circle, modulus of z minus 3i is equal to 3. And also modulus of z minus 3i is equal to 3. You know z is equal to x plus iy minus 3i is equal to 3. Modulus of x plus I of y minus 3 equal to 3. Modulus means root of x square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 3. Squaring both the sides, we will get x square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to 3. Now here no term with factor x minus 0, so x is 0. Y minus 3, y equal to 3, so 3. So this is a confirmation for this one, and I am going to extend for the transformation. So x square plus y square minus 6y plus 9 equal to, see I missed squaring here, 3 square is 9. By sending 9 that side, we will get x square plus y square minus 6y equal to 0. Let it be, this is very important result. I can write this result here for getting transformations. Once again, x square plus y square minus 6y equal to 0. So keep in mind this one. Now the given transformation is omega is equal to 1 by z, or z is equal to 1 by omega. Z is x plus iy, you know, equal to omega is u plus iv. So x plus iy is equal to 1 by u plus iv dot. Usually in complex numbers we can do like conjugate multiplication and division, u minus iv. X plus iy is equal to u minus iv divided by a plus b into a minus b is a square minus I square v square. You know I square is minus 1. X plus iy equal to u minus iv divided by u square by using this plus v square. X plus iy is equal to u divided by u square plus v square, this is for real part, plus I of minus v divided by u square plus v square, this is a imaginary part. Here x is equal to u divided by u square plus v square, y is equal to minus v divided by u square plus v square. So remember these two results, and further we need x square plus y square, so which implies x square equal to u square divided by u square plus v square whole square, which implies y square is equal to v square divided by u square plus v square whole square. Now final state, I can manage this space to do the final steps. Yes, the given circle is x, I can take this one, x square plus y square means these two results, u square by u square plus v square whole square plus v square divided by u square plus v square whole square minus 6 of y. Y is minus v divided by u square plus v square equal to 0. Then by first two expressions, the denominator is u square plus v square whole square. So, I can simplify like this, minus into minus plus 6v divided by u square plus v square equal to 0. Then by one time cancellation, we will get to 1 divided by u square plus v square whole square plus 6v divided by u square plus v square equal to 0. Clearly, 1 plus 6v divided by, sorry, here one time cancel, so I can write u square plus v square alone. So, u square plus v square by LCM, u square plus v square, we can write 1 plus 6v in numerator equal to 0. By sending this u square plus v square that side, we will get 1 plus 6v equal to 0. Then v is equal to minus 1 by 6 is nothing but, this is a u axis, this is v axis, this is 0 in omega plane, this is omega plane. Omega plane, v is equal to minus 1 by 6 is a line at minus 1 by 6 on v axis is nothing but horizontal line. 6v plus 1 equal to 0 is a line parallel to u axis. So, under this transformation, one conclusion is, usually under this omega is equal to 1 by z, under the transformation omega is equal to 1 by z, in general circle is transformed into the line. Remember, this statement is very important. Under the transformation omega is equal to 1 by z, usually the circle in z plane is transformed into a line in omega plane. So, this is the conclusion. That's all. Thank you.